So we're going to start by attaching the casters to the legs. The long edge highlights the front of the desk, short edge highlights the back. Now we're going to attach the leg into the feet. Just going to turn that over. And attach the screws. That's the right leg complete. I'm now going to do the same thing for the left leg. So now we're going to attach the back bar to the back two legs. Now I'm going to attach the back bar to the leg using the screws. I'm now going to repeat the same with the left leg. Once the back panel is in place, we'll now move on to assembling the front panel to the front of the desk. And then we're going to attach it using the screw. Now I'm going to repeat for the left hand side. So now the front bar is attached to the legs. We can now move on to attaching the brackets to the desk legs using the screws provided. I'm now going to repeat the same with the left hand side. Putting the left bracket on the leg, then using the screws to tighten. The next step is to attach your crank mechanism to the right hand bracket using the two screws. Next, I'm going to grab the drive rod and insert it into the slot. And now we're just going to extend the drive rod, insert it into the slot. We're going to attach it together with the two small black screws. And now we're going to repeat for the other side. Now the drive rod is secure. And now we're going to place the desktop onto the frame, ensuring that the screws are aligned. And then we can tighten with the screws. And now we're going to repeat the same for the left hand side. If you find that the holes do not line up, you may have to alter the length of the bar. So once the 4 screws are securely in place, we then need to attach the middle screw to the middle of the desk. If the screw doesn't line up, you may have to adjust the length of the bar so that it becomes flush. And then insert the screw. Once we've attached the final screw, we're now going to look to attach the crank handle to the mechanism. So we'll start by getting the rod. So once the rod is secure, we're then going to add the bracket. And we're going to attach it with the 4 screws. Once the bracket is secured to the desk, we're then going to attach the handle, which I'm going to secure into place using the Allen key. So now the handle is secure, place the plastic covers on the 2 front legs. And now I'm just going to flip the handle out and lift. Once I've raised the desk to a suitable height, I'm just going to make sure that all the bars are safely secured and fastened underneath. Once all the holes are tightened, the desk is ready for use.